Okay, it says here she owes outstanding amount is £189. Is that correct?
Okay, just bear with me. No, it's slightly less than that.
Well, it says £114 and then £75 compliance stage fee.
Yeah, that's correct, but a payment has been made.
Oh, she's paid somehow. I didn't know. Okay. So the balance is less than 189.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I am going to need you to confirm the amount you want to pay because, like I say, I can't actually discuss the account.
That's fine. I'll double check with her. So this was for a warrant, it says here, from the 8th of April, 24.
I can't discuss it, not without her consent.
A warrant is a public document, you know.
Yeah, but I can't discuss it because of GDPR because this is to a person.
GDPR doesn't apply to court orders.
Well, I'm not prepared to give that information.
Can I ask your name for reference?
You can, yeah. My name's Lisa.
And is that your last name or your first name?
It's my first name. We don't give surnames out because of the nature of the business.
What do you mean the nature of the business?
Well, because obviously we don't give surnames out because of the nature of the company, because it's a debt recovery company.
Oh, I see. And so people might get angry with you and all that.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have a staff number, Lisa?
No, everything's documented anyway on the notes.
I know, there must be a million Lisas working for Bristow and Sutor.
No, there isn't. Just one.
Just one?
Yes.
Okay. Can I just ask you quickly something while I check this other thing out? I noticed it doesn't say on your letter, on the paperwork, it doesn't have a VAT number.
Right, okay, so it might do on our website. Let me have a look.
I mean, it has your company registration number down here at the bottom of your page, but it doesn't seem to have a VAT number.
Let me have a look. Show that it does on the, I can see myself the registration number. Let's just have a look. No, I'm guessing if you need that, you would probably need to email in and we can respond to the email.
Okay.
But I don't have it in front of me anyway, so it's not something that I can give you.
Because by law, you have to have it on your stationery.
So obviously, I can document that, but because that's not sort of the department that I kind of know about, I can't comment on that, but I will note that and mention it to my supervisor. Okay,
and I'm looking at the numbers on your paperwork here. You got enforcement agent. Can you tell me who is the enforcement agent? It says BHLP 1053.
So that's our case reference number. It's an enforcement number. It's a reference number.
Oh, I see. But
we have two different types of reference numbers. One is the enforcement number and one is the case ID. But they're just numbers that locate us to the account.
Oh, I see. Because it says enforcement agent reference. I thought it was referring to a specific enforcement agent.
No.
Oh, so there is no enforcement agent on this case at the moment.
Well, I can't clarify that because I can't discuss the account anyway.
Yeah. Now, do you have a warrant number at all on the file?
Again, I can't give that even if we did. I know that you're saying that it's not private, but I'm not prepared to give that information.
Okay, I wanna on behalf of my client, I just want to put a complaint in on this one.
That's absolutely fine.
Mhm.
I can give you the email address to send that to.
No, I'm making the complaint to you now verbally.
Right, okay. And what is the complaint regarding?
Well, I'm a little bit concerned that you don't have a warrant number and you don't have a VAT number.
Right, okay. I haven't said that we don't have them.
No, it's not on the paper. You see, I'm only looking at the paper. I'm you know, I can't deal with what's you know.
The complaint, Stephen.
Yeah. Can you tell me who is in charge? Who is in charge of the complaints team?
But we don't give names out.
You don't give names. Oh, okay. That's very funny. Who is this chief executive of the company?
Well, again, I wouldn't know that because I don't have any connection with them. I'm here to answer calls.
But you work for them, no?
I don't work for them personally. I work for the company, so I don't know everybody that works for Bristow Sutor.
No, but you must know the chief executive, or you must be able to find it.
Let me have a look, see if it's got any insight on the website. So on our website, it does give a couple of names. I'm sure you've already looked at them yourself.
I haven't, you know. I haven't. But no, that's why I asked you. If I looked, I wouldn't ask you.
Actually, the CEO name, it just gives a few of
the directors.
No, it's like an appeals team leader, collector, payroll supervisor.
Yeah, who is in charge of the like customer relations or complaints?
Right, I'm trying to have a look. Just bear with
Yeah,
me.
sure.
Right, so there's nothing on there stating that. So when I pass the complaint through, I will ask that. And
Okay.
get that question as well.
Can you put this on the file before you get rid of me? Just quickly, if you put this information on the file for me.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're aware, there was a recent case in the High Court.
Right.
Against, funny enough, Bristow and Sutor.
Right.
Where the court ruled that you are chasing people on court orders that don't exist. The case is known, I want you to write this on the file, yeah? The case is known as, it's known as Leighton, Leighton.
Yeah.
Versus Bristow and Sutor.
Yeah.
So what they said is, because you were chasing people about court orders that don't exist, you had to pay the person £4,000 for human rights abuses.
Right, okay.
So my client will be sending a bill for my cost plus £4,000 because you don't have a warrant.
Yeah.
And you're distressing the victim on the lie that you have a warrant when you don't, because you don't have a warrant number on the paper.
Right, okay, so that will all be documented.
Yeah, if you document for me that, Lisa, and unfortunately, like you said, the type of job you're doing, you can't even give your name because I think you are aware that you're doing something very wrong on a mass scale.
Right,
So,
okay. So
all right, thank you very much, yeah?
All
And
right,
find a better job. Don't screw people for money. All right? That's my life advice. Thank you.